Welcome to the new section. In this module, we will integrate the ability system component and attribute set into our character. Let's switch to Writer. Open the header and CPP files of our character. Under the Protected section, add the ability system component and attribute set. By the way, you can add the forward declaration while writing it or add it later here. Now, let's move on to the construction in the CPP file. Here, create the ability system component and attribute set using createDefault sub-object. Writer will automatically include the relevant files, but if not, you need to include them manually. To effectively use the ability system, we need to include ability system interface.h in the emin character header file. Then, by adding public ability system interface, we enable our character class to use this interface. Define our function by typing virtual u, ability system component get ability system component. This function allows us to access the ability system component. Hover over the function and click on Generate Definition. It will automatically create the function in the CPP file. Simply write return ability system component inside it. Now add the get function for the attribute set. We overrode this function thanks to the interface we added. If Unreal Project is open, close it and click the Run button. After the project opens, let's check our third-person character. Yes, as you can see, the ability system component and attribute set have been added to the character. Check our get ability system function, it also looks correct. Until the next lesson, farewell.